Hey everyone, welcome back to Six Sisters Stuff. Today we're gonna be making 3 easy freezer meals.
I'm Kendra.
And I'm Kristen.
So we're all about easy family dinners, and to have 3 ready to go in the freezer is like a dream come true for every busy mom.
Right? Especially you just had a baby.
I just had a baby. Yes. The eye bags don't tell you how tired I am. I don't know what will. So this is my saving grace. And so I'm about like every Sunday, I'll have my husband help me in the kitchen and we'll just kind of prep for the week. And this is how we do it. Freezer meals.
Can I borrow your husband?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Nice. Oh, okay. So with each of these freezer meals, we decided to do something special.
Yes.
We made each freezer meal Instant Pot friendly, slow cooker friendly. It's a dump and go recipe, and they each have 6 ingredients or less. We're doing the 6 ingredients because we have something special to show you.
We just came out with our new cookbook. This is our 7th cookbook.
7th.
So you may know Kristen or the sisters from YouTube, but we actually have a website, sixsistersstuff.com. And we also have cookbooks. So this is our most recent cookbook that just came out, and it's 6 ingredients or less. Could it get any easier? Desserts, sides, main dishes, all the things, 6 ingredients or less.
Right, and most ingredients you already have in your pantry, and so it's really not a ton of like extra weird things that you need to buy.
This just teaches you how to make meals with what you got.
Exactly, exactly. So anyways, 6 ingredients or less. We'll put a link in the description for you so you can check out our cookbook there. All right, we're gonna move on to the freezer meals. What is first?
This is our teriyaki chicken, and I love this one because it has pineapple in it. Why is that the best combination? Pineapple and chicken. I don't know. I love it. It just tastes like Hawaii, maybe?
Maybe.
Like close your eyes and just picture it?
Maybe. Okay,
there.
so the secret when making freezer meals, we love to make them in plastic bags.
Yes.
And we love to write the instructions before you put the food in. Sometimes I forget and have to do it after, but it's a lot easier to do it before. So we're gonna write the Instant Pot instructions and the slow cooker instructions.
And I always find it useful to write down the title of the recipe, because when they're in the freezer and they all are like jumbled and everything's together, they all look very similar. So.
All right. Teriyaki chicken. So these actually are all 3 chicken recipes because chicken is literally the easiest thing to make both in the Instant Pot and the slow cooker. So we're just doing quick, easy, frozen chicken recipes.
Instant Pot, how long did you say?
Instant Pot, because it's frozen and they are a little bit smaller, I would do 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay.
On that one, whenever you're cooking like chicken or meat, you want to make sure that you let it release on its own. So.
Okay, the slow cooker.
Slow cooker, slow 6 to 8 hours.
Okay.
On low, not slow.
But it cooks it slower.
Like, you're right, it does cook it slower. 6 to 8.
Slower, more juicy, that's how we like it.
I like it. Okay, now they have fancy stands you can buy to make freezer meals, but
we're not fancy.
We're not
here.
fancy.
We're just regular moms
using things that we have.
Survive.
So we're putting our bag in the pitcher so you can put things in a little bit easier. All right, so we're gonna first start. It's easiest to put your chicken in first or your meat in first because it makes it heavy and it goes to the bottom of the freezer bag.
Okay, I hate touching meat.
Sorry.
That's a fear I have.
I'm okay with frozen. It's the raw that's kind of. All right, so we're doing 3 or 4 chicken breasts. Depends on like how big your family is and if they like chicken.
This is a big one. Do you think it'll fit?
Throw it in, yeah, it'll fit.
Okay.
All right, after we have our 3 chicken, what else we got in here?
Now we're gonna add 2 cans, and let me check the ounces on this. 20 ounces of crushed pineapple.
So they're the big ones of crushed pineapples.
They are the big ones. That's how much we like it. Okay, sorry, that's a lot.
So this pitcher is kind of tall and skinny.
Yeah.
So in a second, we'll probably pull it out now, just to make everything fit nicely. Now we have more room. If you're by yourself trying to make these freezer meals, this is a great option. Or if you have 2 people, some can hold it back.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, then 1 cup of teriyaki sauce.
One thing
the sauce.
I love about the dump and go, it doesn't really matter the order because it just is all going in and it's just gonna sit there for a bit. So, all right, ready?
Okay, come on, sauce.
Go, baby, go.
Okay.
Nice. And of course, we like to eyeball. So it's about a cup.
We're just guesstimating. And then is this 1
whole onion.
Okay, chopped up, finely chopped.
Nice.
Okay, and then we have our baby carrots, and this is the only way that my husband will probably eat vegetables, so I'm gonna use the whole bag. I think the recipe's like a cup.
And if you don't really like carrots, the recipe is delicious without the carrots too.
Or you could throw in zucchinis, asparagus, green bell peppers we've used before.
Oh yeah, that's really good. Okay, we got it all?
Yep.
Oh, did we forget our garlic?
Oh, we forgot our garlic. Okay, so we're just gonna add about a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
There you have it.
So when I'm done with the freezer meal, we're gonna, yeah, it is good. I would say this will feed like, I don't know, 6 to 8. So we're
and
just
you
kind
can
of gonna
serve it over rice.
mix it around a little.
We like ours on quinoa, brown rice.
Ooh. Have you tried the cauliflower rice yet?
No.
Oh, it's my favorite. You can get it like really anywhere from Walmart or Costco or.
We're gonna have to give that a try.
Yeah, my husband loves it.
It's another good way to sneak in veggies to my husband's diet.
Exactly. All right, you just want to make sure you have all the air out because you don't want any freezer burn at all. You can use a straw and like suck it out, but okay. And then the freezer meals, easiest, lay them down and let them freeze just like that. Okay, we're gonna push to the side and we'll get the next recipe. All right, recipe number 2 is our avocado chicken. Now this recipe is probably the easiest recipe you'll ever make.
Is. 2 ingredients, sign me up for that.
Exactly.
Every night.
I'm just gonna throw a ton of these in my freezer because it only takes a second.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I'll write on it.
Please write, please write. All right, so we have avocado chicken. Now because these are thick chicken breasts, we gotta cook them a little bit longer because most likely they'll be frozen. So in the Instant Pot, I like to cook my chicken or recipes for about 20 minutes. If they're frozen, I like to cook them for about 25 minutes. So 20-25 minutes in the Instant Pot and then let it release on its own.
Okay.
Okay, slow cooker, 6 to 8 on low. And on the Instant Pot, you might want to add like maybe 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of liquid, just because that's kind of a little bit thicker of liquid, so you want some more liquid in there so it will pressurize well. So
but slow cooker, no water, no extra water.
No.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's add the chickens.
Okay, so depends on how much you want to make. We'll probably do, how many we got in there?
Let's
3 or 4?
3.
Okay.
Last one was a little full.
It was. So 3. This will still feed, what, like 4 to 6 people?
Yeah. And then I have chicken hand, but
that's
all gonna get cooked out.
Let's make sure they can see this. This is by Herdez. It's the guacamole salsa.
And it's so good.
It's so good.
My husband loves this on eggs.
Does he?
Yes, it's so yummy.
It is delicious. So with this avocado chicken, there we go. I love to put it on like salad, on tacos, inside enchiladas. It's kind of like the perfect meat for literally anything.
We like to put ours on rolls with like tomatoes and a little bit of chipotle mayo.
What?
It's really yummy. And banana peppers.
My life has changed. All right, so we're making this for the slow cooker because there's no extra water in there. So, okay, we're gonna put this to the side too. Freezer meal number 3 is our creamy Italian chicken. Now growing up, our mom used to make this all the time.
Yes.
She served it on pasta, on rice. You can even put it, just plain
so
and then
good.
put it on a salad. That's how my husband likes to eat it.
It's really yummy.
So good.
Okay,
All right.
I'm gonna write it down.
Perfect. We're gonna move this so they can see.
Okay, Instant Pot, what would you say? 20 minutes, 25?
Again, chicken, because if it's frozen, you're gonna go 25. If it's thawed, you'll go 20 minutes. Now, if you want, what I like to do is sometimes they're so frozen when they come out of the freezer that I just throw it in the fridge the night before, and then cooking it is a whole lot easier.
Okay, that sounds good. Slow cooker?
Okay, slow cooker, we're gonna go,
low,
6 to 8 hours.
What about high? What would that be, 3 to 4?
3 to 4.
Okay.
The only thing,
Low tastes better.
it does, if you go high, it kind of dries out the chicken.
Okay,
are we ready?
Let's do this.
Okay,
Start with
you want
the
to hold it?
chicken?
I'll pour it in this time.
You got the chicken.
I'll touch the chicken. Okay, so we're gonna do 4 chicken breasts this time.
Okay.
Make it 6 to 8. There we go.
Or if you're my husband, come on. His stomach is a family of 4, I swear.
Okay, so we have that. Then we have some zesty Italian salad dressing. It's just a little pack that you buy. I mean, you can get it anywhere. Walmart.
Is it 1 ounce?
Smith's. Let's see. It's 0.6 ounces.
0.6 ounces.
There we go. Just dump that whole thing in. Nice.
That smells so good.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna add a can of cream of chicken stew. Let's see if we can get it out.
Delicious.
Delicious.
But it tastes
makes
better.
it creamy. It makes it creamy. Okay, and then we're gonna add just 2 cups of the chicken broth. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it because it really doesn't matter that much. So, this is the pivotal point. Now, if you are cooking this in your Instant Pot, go ahead and put your 8 ounces of cream cheese in there right now. So if you're gonna cook it in your slow cooker, you want to leave it in the box and just put it, I mean, if you're going to freeze it for like a month or so, you can put it in the freezer next to it, or you could just keep it in the fridge too.
Yeah.
So we're going to make this in the Instant Pot.
Yep.
So I'm going to put macaroni and cheese in.
And then when you cook it in the slow cooker, what is it, like the last half hour of cooking is when you mix it in?
You just throw this in.
And it just kind of melts and makes it all creamy goodness.
Yep.
Fat-free, calorie-free, carb-free,
Yeah, this one's
dairy-free.
really healthy, but 6 ingredients less. I'll
We're all
take it.
about
It's
it.
better than going out to eat. So.
Okay, so that's everything, right?
Right, you go ahead and zip that up.
Fill her
and
up,
then
squish out the air.
there we go. Now I like to shred my chicken in all my recipes after they're all cooked to make it a little easier to eat.
Yep.
All right, so if you love freezer meals, we actually have a post on our website. It's called 50 Freezer Meals. You can check out a link in the description because it gives you tons of ideas to make freezer meals, and not just the slow cooker, Instant Pot kind, even the kind that come in the tinfoil pans.
Yeah.
And of course, you can check out 6 ingredients or less from Six Sisters stuff. You can find that link in the description too. All right, so I'm curious, if you love freezer meals, what is your most favorite freezer meal that you have made? Go ahead and put a comment down below.
Or what's a freezer meal you'd like us to try out?
All right, if you love recipes like this, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.